In this video, I'll be showing you how to use WeTransfer to send files. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up Chrome. And then what we're going to do is type in WeTransfer. Now, you don't have to open up Chrome. You can do it in any browser you want. But then we just want to search up WeTransfer, and it's going to say WeTransfer send large files fast. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and it's something I use very frequently too. So you have a choice. You can add files or you can add folders. Then what you can do, you're going to have to be signed in as well. I'm on a free plan right now. You can have a title or a message. You can choose how long you want your link to last for. 1 day and 3 days is for free. And if you have ChatGPT, like the plus version of it, you can also have links that stay forever if you want to. Now, what you could also do is you can send, something by an email. What I personally like is creating a link. So once it creates a link for whatever I have, so let's just go ahead and put a random image in here. So we'll just go ahead and press add files. I'm going to go to desktop and then I'm just going to add a random image. So now that image is now added. So now all I got to go ahead and do is press get a link. And now once it finalizes and the transfer is ready, all I got to do is copy this link, send it to whoever I want, and they'll be able to download it. And yeah, it's as simple as that.